Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Today we are enabling some secret stuff of Windows 11. Okay, now what we need to do is open Windows folder or just click on the right click, mouse right click. Okay, then next new, then folder. We need to paste this or just copy paste from the description or the chat pinned comments if you want this, and this will open all the shortcuts or the hidden. Then click enter. There will be change in the icon. Click on that. A new folder is opened. What we can do here is change the default setting of media or the device, or play CDs or the other media automatically, start or stop using the autoplay for the all the medias and the drivers, and backup Windows 7 backup and restore settings and color management. Okay, these are the super cool settings with what we can do is okay. Then there is a devices and the printers options of setting up and changing the settings of what are the different devices which we need to do, and ease of access centers or turning on a simple task of narrating a voice or and controlling computer without a mouse or a keyboard, and letting Windows suggest errors to ease of the settings of filtering case. Yeah, we can, it is a really a super cool tips for all the Windows users here. Yeah, we can do, you can check also here. We can, I will give this area of for text. You can use it here or take a screenshot from here. And thus for today's guys, bye bye.